Welcome. In front of me is a BLU Vivo One Plus from 2019, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through factory mode. So to get started, you want to power off your device by holding the power key and selecting power off. And once your phone is off, you then want to hold power key and volume down, both of those keys at the same time. And once you see the blue logo, you can let go. So right about now, you can let go. And we're now in factory mode. So from here you'll use a volume down key to navigate, and you want to select clear eMMC right here, and once it's selected, press power key and the process will begin. So this will take a couple of minutes, just be patient. Once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.